In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template on Squarespace. If you're using the newer Squarespace experience, there's an important detail to know up front. On version 7.1, you can't actually swap templates the old-fashioned way. Instead, you achieve the same end result by updating your site's styles. That means you can still transform the look and feel of your entire website without rebuilding content. To confirm what you're working with, start by clicking Website in the left sidebar and go to Pages. In the Pages panel on the left, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see a label showing Your Site Version. If it displays 7.1, template switching is disabled. No worries. Right at the top right corner of the editor, click the paintbrush icon. This opens Site Styles, which is where the global design controls live. Inside Site Styles, you have two clear paths. The fastest route is to choose a theme. A theme is a coordinated package of fonts, colors, button styles, spacing, and other visual rules. Selecting one will automatically update your site in a single move, so everything feels consistent. It's perfect when you want a dramatic refresh that still looks cohesive. If you prefer more control, customize each piece one by one. In fonts, adjust headings and body text, choose pairings, and fine-tune weight and size so your content reads cleanly. In the color palette, pick your brand's primary and secondary shades. These colors power backgrounds, text, links, and accents across your pages. For buttons, set the shape, size, and whether they're solid or outlined to match the personality of your site. You can continue down the list to refine other elements in the same way, dialing in the details until everything aligns with your vision. A quick tip as you work: styles are global. What you change here cascades across all pages, so a font or color tweak instantly applies site-wide. That's the beauty of styling. Instead of swapping templates, you get a cohesive look with minimal effort. If you want to compare options, take it step by step, preview as you go, and trust your eye for balance and readability. And that's it. On Squarespace 7.1, you won't change templates directly, but by using the paintbrush icon to open site styles, you can change your theme or fine-tune fonts, the color palette, buttons, and more to completely refresh your site's design.